पाकिस्तान ने भारत पर दो टोक अल्फाज में वाज़ेह कर दिया है कि अगर पानी का मसला हल ना हुआ तो जंग बंदी खतरे में पड़ जाएगी। पानी की मुसलसल बंदिश को जंगी इक़दाम तस्वुर किया जाएगा। अमरीकी मीडिया को इंटरव्यू में नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इसहाक डार ने पैगाम दिया कि पाकिस्तान मामलात को बेहतरी की जानिब ले जाना चाहता है।
डायलॉग से मसाइल को हल करना चाहते हैं। कहा कि ये वो मसाइल हैं जिनके हल से खित्ते में देरपा अमन आएगा।
Of Pakistan declared that if this treaty is tempered, if the water is diverted, if water is stopped, we'll treat it as an act of war.
So we have a ceasefire today. The water issue is outstanding, and if it isn't resolved, you're saying composite dialogue. You're saying if it isn't resolved through composite dialogue, then this amounts to an act of war. So you're saying ultimately, if it's not resolved, you'll go back to war.
Well, you see, in the nation's moments, there are certain times when you have to take some very serious decisions, as we did on 9th night. Now, let's look forward positively. We want to take the whole process forward in an honorable way, with dignity for both sides, and resolve through a composite dialogue the issues which will give, on a long-term basis, this region peace and security.